Hello. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I dilute my Thieves Laundry Detergent. So what I've done, in interest to save some time, I'm actually going to be making two. I've got two empties here. So I've got two jars with, I've just added like 1.5 cup or 2 cups of, in here it's just over 1.5 cups of hot water, filter water, and I've added a 1/4 cup of bicarbonate of soda. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my mixture in here. I'm going to pour my hot water in first. So I do have a little bit of residue of the bicarb, but that's fine. And then I'm going to put in 3 caps of the Thieves Household Cleaner. So just to pack an extra punch. So an interesting thing I found out about Ylang-Ylang's laundry soap. So when you buy it, you buy it like this and it's very concentrated. I'll show you now. I'm going to take 1 cup of this concentrate. And what I found out about it, our Thieves laundry soap, is that it actually has enzymes. So I never knew that it has enzymes, and the enzymes is what actually makes it really effective as a cleaner, as a laundry soap. So yeah, so it's toxin free and totally plant-based, and it has our trademark Thieves Essential Oil in here. So for those of you that don't know, Thieves Essential Oil, it's got a very long history, which dates back to the bubonic plague. It's basically a mixture of herbs, cloves, rosemary, lemon, and Gary Young actually added eucalyptus to it. So it's antiviral, antibacterial, and all those good things. And then of course Young Living has formulated the household cleaner and formulated we actually have a whole range. The hand sanitizer, let me just show you. We've got the hand sanitizer and the Thieves spray. So there's a whole Thieves range, and it's all based on, it all has the Thieves oil in it, which is just super amazing. If you have not cleaned with our household cleaner or used our dish soap or laundry detergent, then yeah, definitely worth a try. I've cut out all store-bought cleaning products from our household, and yeah, I know it's toxin free, it's not affecting my endocrine system or my hormones, yeah, all the good stuff. Then I'm going to fill it up with water, with some filter water, but I'm going to be adding Ylang-Ylang, which is one of my favorite oils. I just love the smell. So this gives us a little bit of a floral smell. And then of course, you can't make any cleaning stuff without lemon. So lemon is an excellent degreaser. So I just put in 10 drops of each. So lemon and Ylang-Ylang. I've got my bicarb water in here. I've got my laundry soap, the concentrate in here. And then I'm just going to fill it up. Going to fill it up with normal filter water. We always want to use filter water because we don't want all the other yucky stuff that's in our tap water to be in here. And that's it, easy peasy. So what I do is I just put mixed, a little label on the laundry soap so that we know which ones are mixed. And you give it a good shake and then you're ready to go. So what I do, let me quickly just tell you, if I have a big load that's really dirty, which we don't often have, or I use for our towels or our bedding, and then I do a full cup. because it's already diluted. And then a normal wash, I just do half a cap, not cup, half a cap. Right, so I hope that's going to help you mix your own laundry detergent. And yeah, it's so wonderful to know that we have options that are toxin free. Your clothing goes onto your body, which is your skin is your biggest organ, and your body absorbs all those toxins, and it affects not only your endocrine system but a whole lot of systems in your body. So I hope that helped.